Some House Solons urge the public to be critical and not support candidates who are pro-China. This comes after the revelation of the National Security Council, or the NSC, in a Senate hearing wherein China allegedly conniving with local public relations firms for the operation of troll farm in the country. According to House Deputy Majority Leader Paolo Ortega, this is not just about the foreign influence, but a foreign interference designed to infiltrate politics. For his part, Cagayan de Oro City Representative Rufus Rodriguez recommended to filing of charges against those involved in such activities, while House Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro suggested that a probe be conducted on the said revelations.
Hindi lang ito treacherous, no? Siyempre ito ay malaking violation din doon sa election code at saka doon sa tingin ko rin may kinalaman din ito doon sa pagiging threat sa democracy, pagiging independent natin. Baka meron din itong problema din sa soberanya kasi siyempre kapag influence ka or ng foreign capital or ng foreign country, di ba? So, ang loyalty mo ay hindi sa Pilipinas.